Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the step in phosphoketolase pathway. In the final step of the pathway, the generated acetyl phosphate can be converted into acetyl CoA through the action of acetate kinase and phosphate acetyl transferase. Acetyl CoA is a central molecule involved in various biochemical pathways, including the tricarboxylic acid cycle, fatty acid synthesis, and amino acid metabolism. Thus, phosphoketolase pathway contributes to the production of acetyl CoA, which serve as a crucial building block for cellular processes. This is the reaction of third step by which the formation of acetyl CoA takes place. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.